system. Activating combat mode.
Commence mission. Destroy all of the Rubicon Liberation Front's artillery placements.
We've got a corporate mark! Almost already. Bastard.
That's one of the artillery placements. The front is protected with armor plating. Attack it from behind. We're clear here. Move on to the next site, 621. You're up against mass-produced MTs. Eliminate them as necessary.
Enemy attack! They're after the artillery! Fight back!
Get to the final site. Good work.
There! That corporate dog! Don't give him another inch! We have to defend the artillery!
Clear out the artillery here and our work is over.
Fire! Surround that engine!
Show that armor for what makes the Liberation Front strong. Force it out! Be bad as one!
Confirmed. All targets destroyed.